Want to help your Shopify customers find answers faster without waiting for support? StoreFAQ makes it simple with instant answers, a chat-like support feature that helps shoppers quickly find the information they need. Before you begin, make sure StoreFAQ is installed on your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify dashboard and select StoreFAQ from the left sidebar. From the StoreFAQ dashboard, go to the Instant Answer option and open it. You will see an option to go to App Embeds. Click it to open your Shopify theme settings. Here, find StoreFAQ Instant Answers and enable it. Once enabled, click Save to apply the change. This allows instant answers to appear on your storefront. Next, return to the StoreFAQ settings and configure how instant answers should work on your store. You can control several options based on the type of support experience you want to provide. Choose whether to show StoreFAQ credits, select your FAQs, and show the search option. You'll see a toggle called Display Feedback tab. Turning this on makes the Feedback tab visible to your customers. Next, there's a field called Feedback from Subject. Here you can use placeholders like IA_name or IA_subject. For example, if Jason sends feedback about product shipping, the subject line will automatically show "An inquiry is placed by Jason for product shipping." After that, there's Feedback from Email. This is the email address where all feedback will be sent. Just add your email here and you'll receive every customer message directly. Once your settings are ready, click Save to apply them. Now it is time to customize the appearance of your Instant Answers section. StoreFAQ gives you several design options so you can create a support experience that fits your Shopify store. You can customize the basic design, tabs, Home tab, Resources tab, and Ask tab. Adjust font sizes, colors, and text options to match your store design and make the support section easy to use. Once everything is configured, customers can use instant answers to search for FAQs, explore helpful resources, and find information without leaving your store. After making your design changes, click Save. Your Instant Answers section is now ready to appear on your Shopify store. That is how simple it is to configure instant answers with StoreFAQ for Shopify. It gives your customers faster access to useful information while helping your support team spend less time answering the same questions. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tutorials.